people fail to see. Many people know it's a very powerful God. How can we come and find them? Many people know that the moment when God utters something, there's going to be something wrong. Not something wrong, but it can happen anything. If God says something, it will happen. Even these people, even the people of, even these 10 brothers knew this thing. The moment this person, Joseph, will even say something, the moment this person, Joseph, says something, no, it's like a command. Everyone has to obey. It will happen. Similarly in our lives, we all know one thing. We all know one thing very clearly. Was that we know that God has the power to do everything. But do we know He as His heart that He is a brother? We need to know Him as a brother. A brother is a personal intimate, intimate relation between you and Him. But I read from scriptures that Jesus is a brother, a very close brother actually. He needs to talk to us. He needs to walk with us. Oh, let me just follow with you the story much further. When these people come with all these things, the moment what happens, these people know actually. These people actually when they come with money, they give their money to the king, and they say for a king, we are paying you money, give us a good grains. So what happens that same day? Instead of anything, instead of only their sacks with full of grains, they see one more thing. They see one more thing inside their grains. What these people see? These people not only see grains, but these people also see money in their same bag. The same money which they are bought to give this people, this king, they see in their own bags. Now they are actually afraid because they feel now this king will actually arrest us just because the money is again in their same bag. Just imagine, if you want to buy something, again if you want to buy, I'll just imagine a car, and you come with a bag of 10 lakhs rupees for a car, and you give this same 10 lakh to the shopkeeper, maybe that dealer. You give him 10 lakhs and he gives you the car. But on the way home, you see that same baggage just beside you. How will you feel? Or see, you feel that as if I am a robber only because that same 10 lakh which you had to give to that person is in your same car. Similarly happened with these people. When they went home, when they opened their sacks, instead of only the grains, they also saw their money inside the same sacks. So these people are very afraid. What can we do? What will this king? He can kill us. He can do anything to us because we have found that his money again into our bags. These people do not know from where the money is coming up. These people do not know where this money is coming up. People are, let me tell you this thing. Today, even in the same world, the Jewish people do not know from where the money is coming to them. The Jewish people are getting blessed and blessed and blessed, but they are not knowing from where the money is coming to them. Simple, the youngest billionaire businessman in the world is Jewish. The guy who started called as Facebook. I think many people on the Facebook. It started by a Jewish. He's one of the youngest billionaire. He's just something beyond 25 age, not under 25 age something. Just 25 age at least, and he's one of the youngest billionaire. Why? Even he doesn't know from where the money is coming. God is so faithful to His covenant. He wants to bless this Israelite people, but these Israelites are not knowing from where the money is coming in them. Similarly in this case, these people do not know from where the money came. Because in the same sack there is grace also, and inside that there is money also. So see the mindset of these people. They say, come next time when we go again to buy, we'll give them double money, or single double money. This is a problem with us. This is a problem with many of believers. What's the problem? When God wants to bless you something, you feel that I'm not worthy. I need to give something more tithes, then I'll get more blessings. This is what human beings feel. This is the mindset of human beings. See the things what the man Jacob says. He says, give them double money. Not single now, this time will take double money. You can't buy his grace. You can't buy his favor. Because this Joseph because he is the brother, he gave them freely even money also. Their grace was both things. Similarly in our life, God wants to give us blessings freely. But it is the problem with us. We don't want to take freely. We think we need to buy something from Him. If God wants to give us car, or God wants to give us a flat, BHK, 3 BHK, we think that we need to put money, save money, invest money here and there. Maybe after 10 years it will grow and I'll get it out. This is the human intention. But God wants to give you the house freely. God wants to give you everything freely. You can't buy off His grace. You can't buy His generosity. You can't buy His love. It's given to you freely. But God wants to give everything freely to us. He doesn't want to take money from us. But He wants to give us. He wants to give and give and give and give. This happened in that same story. Joseph wanted to actually give them, but they are trying to earn blessing. They are coming with double money. So when Joseph tells them, it is not. Joseph says for them, I do not know who put it into your money bag. Maybe your God has blessed you all. Lord, take it back. Okay. This was what this man, this king Joseph says for them. At last, Joseph weeps a lot. He weeps a lot. He cries a lot because when he sees his 10 brothers once again in front of him, he cries a lot. He just goes behind and he just weeps a lot. And he comes again in front of him and says a very beautiful line. I like it's a better line in the book of Genesis. He says, I am Joseph, your brother. Just imagine, he never says, I am Joseph, the king of this Israel, the king of the Egyptian, or the river Nile, I am the king of the river Nile, or I am the king of this, I am king of that. No, he says one thing, I am Joseph, your brother. Today God is not saying, I am the king of the universe, I am the king of the earth, or I am the king of the heaven. He says a clear line, I am a brother to you. I am a brother. A very, very, very personal touch, he says, I am a brother to you. I am like a big brother to you. I like the beautiful line, he says, I am Joseph, your brothers. It's the second time he said, please come near me. Please come near me. These same 10 brothers are very terrified. They are very fearful because they know that they had landed him in that pit and they have sold him. Now they actually get very scared. But you know, just the response of this man called Joseph. This, I am Joseph, your brother. Please come near me. I like it when he says, the tone he might have said, I am Joseph, your brother. Please come near me. Please come near me. See the intention of this person. Someone who, if you have sold someone to some slavery, he won't have this intention. He will say, I will take revenge. When he sees you 10 guys in front of, he'll get his gun and he say, remember that day you put me into a pit, remember that day. He'll come with that gun. He say, who are you? He say, I am the same brother Joseph whom you put in the trap. And say, one by one, you 10, I have 10 bullets inside it. I'll shoot you all with 10 with this. This will be our intention. If sometimes we become so much great person and we forget everything. But this will have been our intention. But see this man Joseph, he says, I am Joseph, your brother. Please come near me. Instead of Joseph, it will have been among us. Maybe I don't say among us, maybe some other person. You will have put a knife or something, you will have put and say, this hand, you can see this hand is going to kill 10 people right now. And you are the 10 people because you trying to kill me. And one by one you will cut off the heads. This is the intention of big people. This is what we will have done. But see this man, he was sold. He was hit so much with stripes and many things. He was put into prison. He was made one of the biggest person. He had a good father. He was separated from his own father also. He was taken from his own father and is put into prison.